honorable guest, namely Sayyid Tusif Shah, General Ghulam, Dr. Aurangzeb, Barrister Amrit, and Mr. Shoaib, and members of the media, a very good afternoon. It's an honor for me to be part of this memorable occasion of the first anniversary of Marka-e-Haq, a moment that holds deep historical and emotional significance for many people in Pakistan. Nations are shaped by moments that test the resilience, unity, and determination of their people. Such occasions also serve as a reminder of the importance of peace, stability, and responsible leadership. Today is not only a time to remember history, but also an opportunity to reflect the values that help societies move forward with dignity, dialogue, and mutual respect. As an ambassador of Liberland to Pakistan, I wish to express my appreciation for the hospitality and friendship extended by the people of Pakistan. Over time, I have witnessed the remarkable energy, resilience, and aspirations of Pakistani people, especially its youth, entrepreneurs, and civil society. In today's interconnected world, the futures of nation increasingly depend not only on strength, but also on innovation, economic cooperation, technology, education, and people-to-people understanding. It is through these avenues that we can collectively build a more peaceful and prosperous future for the coming generations. History should inspire wisdom, and wider international community continue advancing towards dialogue, regional stability, economic progress, and mutual understanding. Let us honor the sacrifices of the past by working together for a future defined by peace, opportunity, and human dignity. I would like to pay tribute to the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and the Field Marshal Munir for their dedication to the national service, leadership, and commitment to stability and security of Pakistan. Responsible leadership in challenging times play an important role in promoting regional peace, resilience, and constructive engagement amongst the nation. I extend my respect to the institutions and people working towards stability, cooperation, and prosperity of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. In the end, I would finish up by a quote by Albert Einstein, which says, "Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding." At the end, I would like to thank you for being such a wonderful audience and coming here to attend our event to make it wonderful. Thank you.